Hello everybody, hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, we'll be looking at 8 essential plugins that every WordPress designer must have. So if you are someone getting into WordPress design or you just want to check out some useful plugins that you might not know about, then definitely stick around. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So the first one on our list is called Advanced Custom Fields. Now there's so many different page builder plugins out there like Elementor, Divi, WP, Bakery, all of these guys right here. But what if you need something a little bit more custom? What if you need to build your own fields and your own custom post types? Well, that's where Advanced Custom Fields comes in. Now this is a free plugin, and it gives you the ability to add extra meta boxes to pretty much any post type in WordPress. This is great because you can now create your own custom post types or simply add extra fields to existing ones such as images, text, paragraphs, galleries, even repeatable and flexible fields with this plugin. The possibilities are endless. So let's take a look at an example. So let's say you're building a website for a client, and they need testimonials on their site. You could easily make a new custom post type for testimonials, and then use advanced custom fields to add in a field for the testimonial text. Then when you create new testimonials, you could paste in the testimonial, and it would go straight into that field. You can also create other fields like adding in an image of the person leaving the testimonial, maybe their job title and stuff like that. And the best part is, you can display these dynamically using the get field function. So this is really useful for displaying the fields you've created. Let's say you're creating a testimonial slider. You can display the image and the text from the ACF fields. Now, you can also create fields to hold multiple values. So this is called a flexible field, and you can choose what fields go into this flexible field. For example, you could have 2 fields, a paragraph field and an image field, and you can decide how those fields display. Now you can create as many flexible fields as you want, and then put them all into a single repeatable field. So with Advanced Custom Fields, you can pretty much create anything you want. There are a ton of pre-made field types to choose from, and the amount of customization you can do with this plugin is insane. It's easy to use, very well documented, and super powerful. Highly recommend checking it out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Number 2 is a plugin called Insert Headers and Footers. Now this one's super simple, but very useful. If you ever need to add custom code to your header or your footer, you can do this super easily with this plugin. It's super lightweight. All you need to do is install and activate the plugin, and then go to the settings page where you can input your custom JavaScript or any other code in the respective areas. So this is great for adding things like Google Analytics to your footer or adding in your own custom CSS. It's also great for adding scripts for things like social media buttons, or even adding in things like the Facebook pixel. You can also use this plugin to load in external CSS or JavaScript files. So if you have your own CSS file hosted somewhere else, you can simply enter the URL of that CSS file, and it will be loaded in on your site. You can also put your CSS or JavaScript code inside a function. If you don't know what that is, basically in WordPress, you have certain files that are available for you to edit in functions. PHP is one of those files. You can open up your theme's functions, PHP file, and paste in your code there, and this will also work just fine. So yeah, this is another super lightweight plugin that you should definitely have installed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. The next one on our list is called Imagify Image Optimization. Now this one's super useful for optimizing your images on your site. Basically, Imagify automatically optimizes your images as you upload them. So when you go to add an image to a post, you'll notice an additional option called Imagify Image Optimization. If you click on this, you'll see that it says Convert Image. Simply click on this and it will automatically optimize your image and generate a new one. So this is awesome because you don't have to go through and manually optimize all of your images. It does it automatically for you. The best thing about this plugin is that it doesn't use any third-party services to optimize your images. It does everything on your server. So there's no loss of quality and no funny business going on behind the scenes. It's super fast too, and integrates seamlessly into the WordPress media uploader. So I highly recommend checking out this plugin. Next up, we have All-in-One WordPress Security. This is a great security plugin that will help keep your WordPress site nice and secure. So it has a ton of features. It's super easy to use and has a great user interface. So some of its features include blocking malicious login attempts, brute force attacks. It also has 2-factor authentication, hiding your login page, blocking file access, hiding your email address, and much more. It's also really easy to use and set up, and has a great user interface. So if you're looking for a good security plugin, definitely check out this one. Number 5 is Password Protected Posts. This is a super simple plugin that allows you to password protect individual posts or pages on your WordPress site. So all you need to do is install and activate the plugin, and then head to the post or page that you want to password protect. From there, you simply click on the Password Protect button, and that's it. Your post or page is now protected. You can also password protect posts via the Bulk Actions menu and the all-in-one SEO pack. So this is another super useful plugin. Definitely check it out if you need to password protect anything on your site. The next one on our list is called User Avatar. Now this is a super simple plugin that allows you to change your WordPress user avatars. So if you want to use a custom avatar instead of the default one, you can do this very easily with this plugin. All you need to do is install and activate the plugin and then head to your profile page where you can simply upload your custom avatar. It's that simple. Now, you can also use any Gravatar email to display your avatar if you want. Just go to the plugin settings and set your Gravatar email and you're good to go. Next up, we have a plugin called Easy APIs. Now this is a super useful plugin for getting your local WordPress development sites online. So if you have a local WordPress site that you want to push to a remote server, you can do this very easily with this plugin. It's super simple to use and has a great user interface. So if you're looking for a good local API plugin, definitely check this one out. And finally, we have Backup Migration. This is a super useful plugin for cloning WordPress sites. So if you want to create a copy of your current site, you can do this with this plugin. All you need to do is install and activate the plugin and then head to the Backup Migration page, where you can select the site you want to backup and click on Create a Backup. That's it. Your site is now backed up. Now this is great for creating staging sites or for creating copies of sites for clients. And the best part is, it's super fast and doesn't require any downtime. So if you're looking for a good site backup plugin, definitely check this one out. Now those are 8 essential plugins that every WordPress designer must have. Of course, there are a ton of other plugins out there that are just as good. But these are the ones that I personally use all the time. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, please hit the like button below and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, let me know in the comments section below what plugins you use that I might not know about. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.